You see where we're at. I'm starting in a dress, of course, per usual. This filter makes my eyes look like more hazel. Anyway, but thank you for coming to the show. This is Why is Tiffany So Talented, the show that I do to show you exactly what I'm doing when I'm not making your shea butter soaps. And it is shea butter soap season, so I'm starting my batches and they will be ready for purchase December 1st. But shea butter soaps, hot cocoa bombs, which will also be ready in December, custom face masks to match this beautiful print that I have here, and all the other different varieties that I have on my website, tiffanysotalented.com. But this show is about the dress. As you can see, I'm here at the stones because I'm pulling some stones. So I'm doing a dupe of one of our vintage gowns, and it's so pretty. But this one is going to be in like, well, we like to call it blue zircon, but I'm using cobalt shimmer stones. So I have some stones already trayed out. I just came in here to grab some extra cobalt shimmer. So let me show you that. So I've done so much and forgot to record, but this is what those chalk lines end up looking like with all the specialties. I still have to connect this over here, but I got the frame done all the way at the bottom, as you can see, all the way around. I did the sleeves to completion. I still need to go into this torso, into the bust with the smaller stones like these ones up here, the flatbacks. But the sleeves are done, and the widow's peak in the back is done. And now I'm working on the butt. So I'm gonna do heavy in here, in this area, and then fade out into the circle. So, yeah, that's what I'm getting into today. But I did get a lot done, so this might be a really quick episode. But it's gorgeous. I even made a cute little headpiece right here for the middle of her forehead. I didn't do a small project alert. I was just in the zone. But I will explain it to you exactly how I made it a little later. This dress is finally done. Oh, let me set it here. It's so pretty. It actually looks like she's wearing nothing but crystals that are just delicately placed over her private parts. And I love that. And this one just right over her bum. I love it. I love it. I love it. This really was a feat for me because I was doing a dupe of one of her other dresses. She has a white pearl dress, and it's not the same in construction style. But I made it work, and I think it looks gorgeous. I like these little metallics that I used here on the bottom just to make it have design but still not be heavy. Because when you stone on the bottom of the dresses, it can get really heavy. I love this, the way that came out. The cute little headpiece. My sleeves are done. It's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So for this headpiece, all I really did was put 2 bands at either end for safety bobby pins, the artistry in motion tag, frame it, and then in the inside, all of the tiny specialties from the dress. Now this is 3 pieces of mesh, 2 pieces front and back of that metallic mesh, as you can see, and then in the inside there's a black power mesh, because I wanted to keep it flimsy and not extra hard. So that's the small project alert for this.